Hi student, I hope you are well. Now I will solve a question such as if x minus 1 by x is equal to 4, then prove that x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 322. Okay, solution. Given that x minus 1 by x is equal to 4. Now left hand side to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Now we can write x square plus 1 by x square x square. 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 x to the power 4. Now okay, x square plus 1 by x square minus formula 2 x square 1 by x square. We know the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2 these two come from the formula into a into b. Now here x square means a, 1 by x square means b. A 1 by x square, if we, let us consider b. Then a square means x square plus b square means 1 by x square. A plus b x square minus uh, formula 2 into a into b. A means x square into b means 1 by x square. Okay, then x square 1 by x square minus 2. Now x 1 by x, we know a minus b whole square is equal to sorry, a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 2 into a into b. Here is x square plus 1 by x square. It means a, it means b. A minus b, x minus 1 by x, a minus b means x minus 1 by x square x square square plus 2 a means x into b 1 by x, and this square, this square minus 2. Okay, x minus 1 by x, given that x minus 1 by x 4 square plus 2, then 2 minus 2. 4 square means 16 plus 2 whole square minus 2. Now 324 minus 2, 320, proved. Okay, thank you to all. This is the solution. The question is, if 1 x minus 1 by x is equal to 4, then prove that x to the power 4 plus 1 x to the power 4 is equal to 322, and it is the solution.